Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. We're going to talk about our forecast, which is going to get a little bit snowy as we go through the work week. There are going to be more of these Alberta clippers with quick shots of light snow. And then as we head into the weekend, a more significant storm system rolling out of Colorado once again promises to be a dynamic one, and some locally heavier snowfall possible from that. We're going to go over it all. 26 right now out at Hector. It's a degree warmer at Moorheads Airport. North-northwest winds blowing at about 15 miles per hour. Look at the heat. And it is on, as they say, down in central and southern parts of the South Dakota area where Pierre is in the 60s, 51 in Mobridge, 43 in Bismarck. Areas with less snow on the ground rocking into the 40s here. We had 30s today across the valley, and well, it's still pretty pleasant as we head into our evening hours. There's teens up near the international border as a bubble of warmth is spreading through the nation's midsection. For us, we're going in the right direction, but we do have some unsettled weather working its way in. And on the boundary between that warm air where it is in the 50s and 60s down to the south and teens up north, we have clouds developing, snow showers out in the oil patch, and that's going to spread our way overnight. Here's the timing on that. Temperatures are on their way down already. 20s here in Fargo will be the rule as we head to bed tonight. Light north winds. We'll have teens up north and maybe even some single digits in a few spots. So we go through the overnight hours. Notice the snow showers move out of the Missouri River Valley and roll through the James and Cheyenne River Valleys. Mainly our southern counties will have the best chance at seeing a few flakes. It's going to be light and under an inch for most, but watch for slippery roads. Look at temperatures below freezing. And up north, it'll be cold, single digits up there, above or even below zero for a few. Tomorrow, sunny north and east. Out to the west, those clouds linger all day as our boundary between the hot and cold is shifting off to the west. That means a cooler day for our entire region, as we'll see 20s as opposed to 40s and 30s down south, teens and 20s up north. Then tomorrow, drive time home and beyond, mainly after 6 o'clock, another batch of showers of snow work their way in, which by Wednesday morning along the international border could accumulate to a couple of inches. We'll keep you posted on that. We might even see some snow-covered roads here in the Southern Valley as we close out your Tuesday, heading into Wednesday. Temperatures in the teens as we go through the day tomorrow. Then in the afternoon, we rise into the 20s. North wind, very light. More clouds for us than snow chances here in Fargo-Moorhead. And as we go into the evening hours, we can't rule out at night getting a few light showers of snow. Now, on to the storm system that's heading our way. There's been a timing change. We have dropped the first alert weather day for Friday. It's now Saturday and Sunday. It starts as mixed precipitation south. Up in our northern counties, including Fargo-Moorhead, it looks like it's going to be mainly snow. It'll transition to mostly snow. It will be combined with winds, and it's becoming increasingly likely that we'll see 6+ inches of wet, heavy, sticky snow in a few spots. Here's a look at the latest on the track. Rain south, sleet in the middle, snow up north. Wind increases as we go into Saturday morning, gusting out of the north as it rains toward the Twin Cities. So travelers for high school events or travelers of any variety will have to pay attention to this. It lasts into Sunday with gusty winds. The snow intensity will decrease later in the day on Sunday. We could even still see some areas of light snow into Monday. This early stage of the game, it's difficult to pinpoint exact snowfall potential, but the best chance of 6+ inches, Fargo, Highway 2, and points south. Might be some indications that this shifts south, and it will shift. So stay up to date with the latest on this system right here at Valley News Live. Here's a look at Fergus Falls with some hazy or foggy conditions to start the day. Leah, thanks so much for sharing your photo. Now, as we go through the week, spring starts, a flurry or two here and there. Not all of us will see it. Cooler Wednesday and Thursday as we go through midweek, and we cannot rule out a few flurries or light showers of snow as Alberta clippers move through on almost a daily fashion. By late Friday and into Saturday morning, the storm system rolls out of Colorado. That's our mixed precipitation. First alert weather day for Saturday, first alert weather day for Sunday as the wind ushers in some cooler weather. And it looks like our first week of spring, at least meteorological spring, Mike, will be wintry, and we'll keep you ahead of the game right here. So take advantage of the time we have to clean up the snow piles we have now. We'll make more.
I know you probably ran out of time, but I'm forecasting a few blizzards in Moorhead tomorrow.
Oh, I think you're right.
Yes, over at the Moorhead Dairy Queen.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, the historic Dairy Queen.